Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create your first project in Python. And so when you open up PyCharm after the installation, you're going to confirm that you have accepted the terms. You click on continue, and then you're going to accept whether you want the app to send statistics back to PyCharm. And so after you have accepted that, you can now open up your PyCharm, and then you'll be presented with this welcome interface. And so what you are going to be selecting now is to you're going to click on the new project, and when you click on new project, it will take you to the place where you can input the project name and then select the interpreter. So if you already have an interpreter installed or previously configured, you can select this option. But if you are just installing Python and PyCharm, you can now select the new environment using virtual environment. And so you choose either a new environment if it's your first time of launching PyCharm, or if you have already opened PyCharm before, you can choose the previously configured interpreter. And when you click it, you now have to add the interpreter. So you click on add interpreter and then add local interpreter. It will take you to the folder directory where you installed Python, and from there you can select it. And so there are also other environments that are available where you can use and run your code. And so there are also the conda environment, the system interpreter, the pimp environment, the poultry environment. And so if you have Anaconda installed, you can use it as your environment for running Python codes. And so we are going to select where our Python 3 is installed. So you click on it, you select it, and then you click on create. And so it will now create a virtual environment. And the virtual environment here is a welcome script. And so we are going to run this code to see the result. So this code will print PyCharm if the name of the PyCharm document is main.py. So the if statement says if the name of the PyCharm is main, it will run the code. And so let's look at an example of hello world. So you're going to print hello world, and then you're going to print also codejury, the best programming tutor. And so we are going to run this code to see the result. And so when you click on the play button by the right hand side, you can see that the program has been successfully run, and it says hello world, welcome to codejury, the best programming tutor. And so this is how you can run your first project code in Python. And so I'm going to be showing you how you're going to set up your pip environment if you have issues with your pip. The pip environment is where you can install Python packages directly using the command line. And so I'm going to show you how to set that up if you have your own not installed properly, if you did not add Python to path. And so we're going to close this, and then you go to your search, and then you type env and then environment variables. So you click on it. So as you can see, edit the system environment variables. So we are going to open that up. And so after this has been opened, you go to environment variables. You can see it in the advanced tab. You click on environment variables, and then you can see the part where it's written part. So you either double click on part, or you select it and then click on edit. That is the part for the user. So you click on edit, and then you can now edit the parts of different applications on your system. And so to add Python 3, the installed Python to parts, you have to copy the parts or the folder where you installed Python. So you are going to locate the folder where you installed Python, and then you copy the folder address and you paste it in this environment variables. So you click on start, and then we are going to search for Python. And after typing Python, you're going to right click and open the file location. When you open the file location, the location of the installed Python you go to the tab, and then you go to this tab showing green, and then you click on it. You double click on it, and then you copy the text, the address written here. As you can see, you copy it and then you paste it in the environment variables. So after copying it, you click on new, and then you paste the part of the environment variables, and then you click on OK. I already have mine in the path variable, so there's no need of making it double. So you click on OK, you click on OK, and you click on OK. So no need of me having it in double instance. So you click on OK, click on OK, and then OK.